Okay, we all know that mothers don't have to be blood relatives. These ducklings, they have a mom of sorts to prove that. Ginger, a golden retriever right here in the Midlands, has sort of, I guess you could say, adopted these two ducklings. Her owner says she thought that being a golden retriever that Ginger would retrieve the ducks. Well, clearly that is not happening here.
So she's supposed to be out hunting ducks and retrieving them after, you know, people shoot them or whatever. And you see she's never going to do that, hopefully.
After 2 months of foster care via Ginger, the ducklings will soon be released onto Lake Murray.